Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix pink screen problem in your laptop or even desktop. Okay. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your search bar and then just type down updates. Okay. Now go ahead and click on check for updates. And here, click on check for updates. And then if there are available updates, go ahead and install them. And then after that, go ahead over to advanced options. Click on optional updates. Everything right here needs to be installed as well. So just click on it, hit on download and install. Wait for the process to finish. And after that, it will require you to restart your computer. Just don't restart yet, okay? So as you can see here, it's completed. Now onto the next step. Go ahead over to accessibility right here in the left panel. Now go ahead and find color filters, okay? Click on color filters and make sure that this one is disabled. All right. And after that, go ahead and close this one. Right click on a blank space, hit on display settings. Now in here, scroll all the way down and then make sure that the scale or scaling resolution is set to what is recommended. Okay. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and restart your computer and check if it helps. Now, if that's going to work, go to your start menu once more, right click and click on Device Manager. Go ahead and find your display adapters right here and find your specific graphics card. Now click on it, right click. So as you can see here, it may say NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. So just right click on it and just click on Update Driver. Browse my computer. Let me pick. And then go ahead and select the latest version. And then once that's done, hit on next, follow simple prompts, and after that, restart your computer once more, and you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you fix the pink screen problem in your laptop and desktop PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.